Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the balloon forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick Graham, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the owl. Alright, and give a little twirl for you. He actually started off as a love heart, because if you were to take the feet away and the pinch twist here for the ears, it did start off as a love heart. Alright, and there are a few variations of it on good old Balloon Chat if you wanted to have a look. And that. So anyway, what you do, I'm using purple chrome, and the purple chrome are probably 3 or 4 fingers longer than an ordinary balloon. So if you use an ordinary balloon, you may need to make it a little bit smaller or pre-stretch the balloon. All right. So with mine, I've used 6 fingers uninflated. All right. I'll put that one down for the moment actually, because here we go. Be easier. You need 2 pinch twists, 1.5 finger pinch twists, but make them really soft. So push the air along, make these very nice and soft, these pinch twists. So 2 1.5 finger bubbles. The knot goes around the second twist, and then take the knot and go over the top of the 2 bubbles. There's your 2 pinch twists. All right, squeeze the air. The first one you need a 4 finger bubble, all right, and then a 1.5 finger pinch twist. All right, that's going to be one of the ears. All right. Now at this point is where you've got to join on the other balloon. Alright, now you could just tie the knot around the pinch twist. I like to have a small bubble, and this small bubble we are going to deflate at the end, but you get a tighter connection between the 2 balloons. So tie that around there, and then squeeze the air along, and then you need another 4 finger bubble to the 2 pinch twists. So another 4 finger bubble. That goes back to the 2 pinch twists, like so. Then we come up from the centre, and this time you want a 3 finger bubble. You do a 3 finger bubble here, and then on the balloon that you have got at the top of the pinch twist for the ear, you just need there a 2 finger bubble. So a 2 finger bubble on the one by the pinch twist there, and a 3 finger on the double pinch twist. Twist those together. Alright, and then just one of these balloons, it doesn't matter which one at the moment, go back to the centre with another 3 finger bubble. So squeeze the air along, and a 3 finger bubble. Right, that same balloon, you now need another 3 finger bubble, squeeze the air, and then you need a 3 finger bubble, I've got that on the behalf, from the one that's coming down from, this is going to be the ear of the owl. This is the outside, so you now need a 3 finger bubble here. The first one was a 2 finger bubble, this is a 3. So there's a 3 here and a 3 here. Twist those together. And at this point, I just have a look, whichever is the longest balloon, that's the one I'm going to take back to the centre. So, and again, squeeze the air, 3 finger bubble. Alright, now the next bubble you're going to do from the 2 pinch twist is going to be a 4, because it's going to be the centre of the bottom of the owl. Alright, so we've just done, this one here, which is 2 4 fingers, the pinch twist. This is a 3, this is a 3, and then this is going to be a 4. So you have got to put a pinch twist here for its feet. Alright, so from the balloon that's at the 2 pinch twist, squeeze the air, 4 finger bubble, 1.5 finger bubble, which you're going to pinch twist. So this bit goes to there, pull it apart, be aggressive, so don't go for it. Alright, and then the one that's around the outside, again, a 3 finger bubble, and that goes around the pinch twist. And again, I'll look, whichever is the longest balloon, it doesn't really matter here, does it? So we're going to go with this one, because there's more uninflated there. So you need another 4 finger bubble back to the 2 pinch twists. Right. There we go. Right. Then you need, coming on the other side now, from the centre of the owl, oh, a bit of fluff there. You need a 3 finger bubble here, and you need a 3 finger bubble here. Alright, so that goes round. Again, whichever is the longest one, that goes back to the centre, another 3 finger bubble, around the 2 pinch twists. That's why the pinch twists have to be quite soft, because you are pushing the balloon around there quite a lot of the time. Alright, another 3 finger bubble for the, from the 2 pinch twists from the centre, for that ugly roll, perhaps. A little bit funny here, don't I? 3 finger bubble around the outside one, twist that around. Look to see whichever is the longest. It doesn't matter too much here because you're coming up to the end of it. And that will go around the 2 pinch twists in the centre. There we go. That goes around. Right. Now we need our last 4 finger bubble now. Oh, use that pinch twist a bit. There we go. We need our 4 finger bubble from the centre one. And a 1.5 finger bubble which you're going to pinch twist. Right. And then this one that's coming up, they've been 3 fingers, but now it's a 2 finger. And then that goes around the pinch twist there. And then you just need one more 4 finger bubble back to the centre. So whichever one feels the softer, we're going to go with this one. And that you can let the air out if you wish to. We're going to try and the 4 finger bubble there. That will go round the pinch twist. This is the point, it is a little bit on the tight side there. There we go. Right, we've got there. Right, now then, what we have to do, the centre one, just deflate it, your favourite method. Whatever you do, don't use your teeth. Use a cutter or a pair of scissors. Right, so deflate that, let's cut that off. Now I've just untied that. That round the pinch twist a couple of times, and then you'd have to make that undone, like it just did for me. Oh dear. There we go. Right, we're back there now. Alright. Alright, now this one we're going to deflate. Alright, that was the first little bubble we put in. Deflate that, tie that up, and then I like to take that and wrap it round the centre of the 2 pinch twists. It just helps to pull it all in and hold it nice and tight. Same with this one, deflate this again, and hopefully you've got a nice pair of cutters or scissors, haven't you? So tie that up, again that will go into the 2 pinch twists in the centre, and then all the excess there, right, there we go, got that round. Right, there we go, just to show that I do have my scissors with me, so I very seldom use them. Here's the scissors, cut that excess off. And there is your, I was going to say part there, but actually an hour, isn't it? Alright, so you also now need to put the eyes in. Alright, now the eyes, and I've done a 4 finger bubble and split them in 2, so it's they're about 2.5 fingers. Yeah, it's about 2.5 fingers, and I like to put the knot to the inside because then that'll hide it up. So you just got to open up this section here, the 4 finger and the 3 finger, open that up, and then put the eyes in. Be aggressive with it, don't worry about it. Go on. There we go. Put one in there, and then you get the other one. This is one I prepared earlier. They like Blue Peter now, isn't it? All the younger people going, Blue Peter, what's that? Although I think it's still going. And the knot again goes to the inside one. So here we go. Yeah, hold of it. I'm going to put it this way because it will trap a little bit in there. And be really aggressive with it. Go on. What's the worst that can happen? It will pop. There. Right. have a quick look. Right, now then, we'll put this one a bit more forward. That's something that's a bit bigger. There we go. Right, so here's his eyes in, and then we just got to put his feet on, which is a 160 orange, and it doesn't matter. You can probably get 3 beaks and feet out of this. So I do a 3-finger bubble, a 3-finger fold twist. Sorry, 3-finger fold twist. All right, push the left through. Do another 3-finger, push the other along, another 3-finger fold twist. All right, and then I tie that around the pinch twist at the bottom. Wrap that around a couple of times. There we go. And then keep the rest, let the balloon down. So keep hold of this because you need to make a, tie that up. Let's show you the feet first. There we go. So, look this way. Alright, so there's his feet there. And this one you need, it's probably just over, it's probably about a 2.5 finger and a 1.5 finger. Alright, so the 2.5 finger and a 1.5 finger. Tie the knot around the smaller bubble. Push that through. Get rid of the excess there. Hold on to it and tie that up in a knot. We're going to do a couple just to be on the safer side. And then that goes round the centre of the owl around the pinch twist. There we go. Put it around a couple of times, tie it up. And oh, let's still see it. Let's push it in. Yeah, oh, that pinch twist needs to be, one pinch twist should be at the back in the owl, and then one at the front. Right? Generally the one at the back is going downwards, right? It's vertical downwards, and the pinch twist here goes horizontal. And I find that it all sits a lot nicer there. And then you've just got to do the artwork. If you've seen some of mine before, the artwork, so it probably won't quite look the same size as the eye, but we'll give it a little whirl. Alright, so one big circle. I'll do the one on the on this side first. There we go. One eye there. Hopefully this will look similar-ish. Yep, we're going to go with that. A couple of eyelashes. Not too bad, I suppose, slightly different eyelash size. Right. And then you can get your white heading pen and just put a bit of highlight in the eye. Alright, so there you go, we're getting very technical now, a little bit of highlight in the eye, eh? There we go. And we'll have a little bit over here. There we go. Lovely. Right, I'll zoom in, although my zooming in is just walking forward. There we go, it's looking alright. And we'll just zoom in so you can see the, hopefully see the eyes there. Alright, there you are. And thanks for watching. And if you could hit the subscribe button, I think there's a bell button as well now, and you get an email to say when my next tutorial's been posted. So there he is. Just give him a quick twirl around. There we go. Alright, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you another time on BalloonTube. Alright, bye for now. Cheerio. Bye. And the owl can't fly.